What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Khalifa Side, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is not going to be very long. Today is day 4 of the new construction. So you guys can see they start putting down the fill and compacting it. Still got this whole pile that they got to get spread out evenly throughout here. He's actually going to have to bring another truckload in because this isn't going to be enough. I think he's bringing in 2 more truckloads. But I don't know if you guys can see this blue line, but they took a laser and shot all the way around to show where the grade of the car park is going to be, what the asphalt top is going to be. And they shot that all the way around. You can see it over here as well. And they also put the footers in and compacted around them. So this is where one corner is going to be. Corner, corner, corner. And then of course, this is where the door to the garage is going to be. So you kind of get an idea of where the garage is going. And roll up door will be right here. I'm not sure. Anyway, but still more than enough room for me to get my truck parked over here. And I can get like 3 more cars in this area. So it's more than enough space. He'll be back tomorrow to get this out. And then, like I said, start spreading the rest of the stuff out. And I actually did a dry run just to see how this is gonna look. Still haven't gotten this stuff moved yet, but I'm gonna get it moved so I can start rolling out the artificial grass. I was gonna put down fill and compact it, but I really don't need it because this area is actually pretty level and I don't have to worry about the artificial grass sagging anywhere. So that's it. Now I gotta take my monster for a walk. Pause. Take Apollo for a walk. So he's ready too. Y'all want to see him? You ready to go for a walk? You ready to go for a walk? I think he's ready to go for a walk. So I'm gonna go get his stuff so he can go for a walk. And I will catch you guys tomorrow. So tomorrow's video will be right after this. Catch you guys next time. Day 5. So let's check out the progress that they made today. So they got all of the fill spread and everything's been compacted. Like I said, here you can see where they're starting to form where the garage is gonna be. This mound, they're actually gonna pour concrete in here, tie the footers in, and then, like I say, erect the beams that'll go here. And they had to jackhammer this out because it was actually in the way. I think they've got to take all of this section right here out because if you can see, this is only about 1.5 inches difference in height. So this is coming out. Not sure when they're gonna do it. It won't be tomorrow because it's gonna rain tomorrow, which kind of puts me behind on what I was gonna work on because I've been so busy doing job interviews trying to find a position myself instead of relying on the government to relocate me, because I may not like where they send me. So I'm gonna find my own position. But you all can see I actually moved the cart over to there just so I could do a dry fit for the turf. This is going to go all the way to the steps there onto the deck. But I can't do anything until probably Thursday. I was gonna work on it this evening while there's still light out, but I have another job interview tonight. Due to the difference in time, my interviews are being conducted at night, which I don't mind at all. You know, Semper Gumby, gotta go with the flow. But anyway, yeah, that's your update for today. And I will update you guys probably Thursday. Like I said, it's gonna rain tomorrow, so no work will be getting done anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this portion of the video out. It's been your boy Khalif Assad, checking out with another video. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. Click the post notification bell, turn to all so that you don't want to drop a new video. And I'm out. Peace.